Hello students, good morning to all of you. I am Rajkumar Pandit, Faculty of Computer Science in JSS and Mary Academy, Hajiganj, Patna City. Today, this video is prepared for the students of class 8. Today's topic is Microsoft Access 2010. Microsoft Access stand for MS Access stand for Microsoft Access. This software is developed by the Microsoft organization in 2010, so it is called Microsoft Access 2010. It is a database management system, commonly known as DBMS. Database management system. Microsoft Access is also called the RDBMS. RDBMS. RDBMS stand for Relational Database Management System. Relational Database Management System means data. At first, discuss about the data. What is data? It is raw fact and figure. If we say my roll number is 1, 2, name of the students, these are the data. And these data are stored on the basis of a rules, a basis on the a certain platform. So it is called the database management system. What is database? A database is an organized way of storing information quickly and efficiently. We also maintain the data in the Microsoft Excel, but these data are not in the organized way. What is the meaning of organized way? Organized way means data are depend upon the other data. Suppose if we maintain the details of students, so at first maintain roll number, name, father's name, address, etc. And we put the roll number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same. The name of the students is ABC, XYZ, etc. And the other details also put. Here, the roll number 1 name is ABC and its father name is Mr. MNO, yes, something, and live in the Patna. These data are in the form of organized way. Organized way means these are the field name, roll number, name, father's name, and address. And these are the data. The database is also divided. We can say database are commonly used as two types. First is the flat file database. Flat file database. and second one is relational database. Relational database. A flat file database refers to data file that contain records which have a small, fixed number of fields without any structured relationship. Means these are the fields: name, roll number, name, father's name, address. This one is the informations of roll number 1. That is, roll number 1, name is ABC, father's name is Mr. MNO, and Patna is the address. So these data, if these data are related to each other, it's called the relational database. And if the data are not in the form of organized form, not in the organized form, it's called the flat database. What is the structure of the database? Structure of the database is the first form is table. What is table? The tables are the combination of rows. This means the rows, combination of a collection of rows and columns. This one is the column and this one is the row. So students is the name of table. Second one is field. All the column in a tables are called field. So roll number is called field, name is also called field, father's name is also called field. A field describes a specific attribute of all the records in the table. Means if we say name is the field, so ABC is the name of roll number 1, XYZ is the name of roll number 2. In this field, we cannot enter the roll number or the father's name or the address. Only put the data, name of the students only. And a complete information of a student, a complete information, second one is, first is the table, second is field, and third one is records. Records, the row in a table are called records. So this one is the complete called a record. And last one is data. Data is a small piece of information. Roll number 3, roll number 2, roll number 1 is called the data. This one is also a data, this one is also a data. So we can say that students tables contain roll number, name, father's name, address. These are called the field, and each and every fields store a specific information. Next one is query. In the Access, we can maintain large number of data, means millions of data may be stored in a table or in a database. So first problem is to search or the query of the data. We can easily access the data in the Microsoft Access. Next one is form. Next one is form. form or the user-friendly interface that facilitate the process of entering data in table. We can directly enter data into the table or we can use through the form. We can design a form for enter data in the table. And last one is report. Report means we can print all data of a student table. Yeah. Or we can print only the roll number up to 10 roll number, print the student information up to 10 roll number or above 10 roll number. So these are called the reports. Okay. In the another video, we can discuss about the Microsoft Access features. Okay. Thank you.